Hey y'all, join me today as I show you how to make a saltine cracker salad with a tangy mayo dressing. This salad makes the perfect side dish for any meal. In a small bowl, whisk 1/4 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir in 3 tablespoons of chopped green onion and 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. Refrigerate the dressing for at least 30 minutes. This will allow the mixture to chill and the flavors to mesh. After your dressing has chilled, crush up as many saltine crackers as you would like. I used 10 crackers for my salad. Add your crackers to a salad bowl, as well as your tomatoes, and spoon out as much of the dressing as you would like. Now this salad is not one that you would want to make ahead of time, as your crackers will become soggy, so this is one you would want to make right when you're ready to eat. Alright y'all, well that's it. That's how you make a saltine cracker salad with a tangy mayo dressing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.